Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey beautiful people, what's going on? So I am currently at a Airbnb in Kingston. Like, I've literally found the gem, y'all, and I can't wait to put you guys on. So I'm like currently standing in the bathroom right now, and I just wanted to talk about the Airbnb I'm currently at. I'm only spending one night here, and you know, sometimes people need a break. If you need a break from your house, like, one thing that I realized, like, if you guys want to go on a vacation or whatever, you don't need to go out of your country, out of your state, out of Kingston, or, you know, parish. If you're living in Jamaica like me, you have the option to do, you know, staycations. So I live in Kingston, and I'm literally staying at an Airbnb in Kingston. I'm staying here for 24 hours, and I really want to show you guys this beautiful gem that I found. I'm gonna show you the room that I'm currently staying in. The price is pretty affordable. Of course, I'm gonna link, you know, all of the details below how to find this gem in Kingston. So let's go ahead and show you the room that I'm currently at, and then we're gonna head outside. And by the way, they got a pool, so you know who's gonna be in that pool, because I do have a pool at home. So I'm definitely going outside on that deck and dip my feet in the pool, or probably, because I bought a swimsuit because I knew they had a pool, of course. So I think we're gonna change and then change in our swimsuits. But first, I'm gonna show you guys the spot, so let's go. As you step in, they give you the Wi-Fi code here at the door. I'm just going to give you a full overview. It just comes with the basic amenities that you really need in a room: your bed, AC, of course, TV to relax, and your own bathroom. So I'm just going to quickly give you some little shots of the room, and then we need to head outside to show you guys how this gem is looking.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up with them bitches that I don't get it. You're a star love.
We're in the kitchen. I wanted to show you guys like the full view of the place. So I was told like everybody has access to the kitchen. Of course, it's one kitchen and you share it, but as it relates to privacy, your own bedroom, all the amenities that you need. And like I said, everyone has access to it. So you have pots, pans, microwave, stove that you can cook. And it's a decent sized kitchen, you know. Bro, I just took a peek on the outside. Like, look out there. I don't even want to show you guys yet, but let's head on out to the living area. This is so cute. Alright, so this is the living area. Very huge and spacious. Like a whole family can literally stay here. Alright, so we have the living room, and this black, what do you call it, backsplash is like so cute.
Brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Cash, I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can play the music.
I have on my swimsuit and I'm ready to go outside. Just my one piece that I have on. Yo, I just went outside a while ago just to do like a peek. I didn't video it, and outside is so beautiful. It's like a little getaway, cozy oasis type of vibe. So I have on my swimsuit. I hope the pool is not cold. It's just like a small, nice pool where you can just hang out and chill. It's not nothing you can literally like dive in or swim, but it's definitely cute. So I'm just gonna grab all my shots, and then we're gonna go outside and see what outside is giving. Right, here we go, the swimsuits. We are ready for the vibe. By the way, I brought alcohol, of course I brought alcohol. Where it is. So I have my Appleton here, and I have this outside, and I have some orange juice. So we definitely gonna have a vibe. definitely gonna have a vibe outside, but I won't stay long because I'm like extremely tired and I had like a busy day at work today. So we ready. I'm feeling the rain. It's raining, so I guess I won't be able to stay outside. But anyways, let me show you the cute little deck that I was telling you guys about. This is the cute little deck. This is gorgeous, y'all. Amazing. Y'all, it's raining and I'm so mad. So mad. It's like on and off, on and off. But do you guys see the deck? Do you guys see where I'm right now? So good. It's so quiet. I know there are people here because I think when I was in the living room or something like that, I saw some guests walking in. So I know there are people here. But it's just so quiet. I love it. Alright, so I have my music box. I'm gonna play some music. And I'm gonna dip myself in the pool because I can. We're not at an all-inclusive hotel where you know the pool closes at 6 or 7. So I'm definitely heading there. The goddamn rain started again, as you can see. See? It's raining like crazy, so I'm just gonna head inside. No pool for me tonight. Such a bummer, but at least I got to show you guys, you know, how this lovely deck looks. The rain kind of finished just now. I'm just gonna hurry up and probably like just take a dip and heading back because this rain is acting very bipolar. I'm back from the deck. The pool was a vibe. The pool was a vibe. The only thing is the rain keep starting, stopping, starting, stop. I'm gonna grab me a shower and then we're gonna cozy up. Tomorrow morning, checkout time I think is at 11 or 12, but I have to like leave before that. I have tons of work to do tomorrow. I have like 2 errands that I have to run for tomorrow, so I have to leave here probably like 8 in the morning. So I'm gonna get up around 7 o'clock. I'm gonna see how the place looks daytime so I can show you guys and then check around the back again with a nice cute deck. I gotta come back here. We gotta come back here. And I heard like they do like birthday events. So if you like wanna book, you know, like the room, even if you don't wanna book the room and you only wanna use outside around the pool at the back, like they do that. So it's like an all-in-one Airbnb place. I love it. So the information is down below. They have their Instagram. I think it's called Beresforth. And like I said, it's so affordable. Like it's very affordable. So all the foreigners looking for like an Airbnb vibe, where it's actually uptown, but you do have taxis, like regular route taxis that run here. So it's like no issues with getting like transportation, or if you want to call a charter taxi, bam, quick and easy. I'll catch you guys tomorrow and I'll just show you guys the property again in the morning so you can see how it looks. Yeah, so in the morning I'll talk to y'all. She's so cold, she can make crime on me. Right there, they have like the fire pit. Such a cute, nice hangout spot at the back. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me. I didn't mean she love me. I didn't mean she want me, she don't need no money.